Family of a man who died after riding a roller coaster at Universal's new theme park is demanding answers, and they have turned to a high-profile attorney to get those answers.
Prominent civil rights attorney Ben Crump is now representing the family of 32-year-old Kevin Rodriguez Zavala. Zavala died last week after riding the Stardust Racers roller coaster at Epic Universe. And 10 Tampa Bay News reporter Eric Glasser has more from Orlando, where Zavala's family is pressing for answers.
Well, the family of 32-year-old Kevin Rodriguez Zavala says they want transparency about how he could have died after a ride on the Stardust Racers roller coaster here at Epic Universe, and are turning to high-profile attorney Ben Crump to get answers.
Do the right thing, Universal. Do the right thing.
Investigators say Kevin Rodriguez Zavala had a pre-existing spinal injury that led him to use a wheelchair. But relatives say Kevin was a roller coaster enthusiast his entire life, never had a previous issue, and took issue with any suggestion it was a contributing factor here.
He had ridden roller coasters many times before without incident. On the day in question, he rode rides before he got on the Stardust Racer.
If the park is going to take a position that he should not have been on the ride, they should not have assisted him to get in there.
The medical examiner ruled Kevin's death was accidental, caused by multiple blunt impact injuries. The family's attorney says witnesses, and they suspect video, will confirm his head struck a metal bar on the ride repeatedly.
Whether it's adding more restrictions to the ride or just adding more restraints, just figuring out a way to make it safer.
In 2022, Crump, known for taking on high-profile cases, also represented the family of 14-year-old Tyrese Sampson, who died after falling from the free-fall ride at nearby Icon Park. That investigation found safety equipment had been misadjusted.
I don't want anybody else to feel like I feel right now. So please, help me to get that done.
In a statement, Universal has said it's devastated by the loss, but that the ride's systems appear to have functioned as intended and that staff followed proper procedures. Crump says whether the ride malfunctioned, there are safety issues that need to be addressed and urged them not to blame the victim.
Because that would not only be an insult on top of injury, that would be an insult on top of death.
For now, the Stardust Racers ride remains closed as the Orange County Sheriff's Office investigation continues, and the family says it wants the ride to remain shut down until there are clear answers. In Orlando, Eric Glasser, 10 Tampa Bay News.
It is important to mention here that attorneys for the family say Universal has opened a line of communication with them, and they expected to begin a conversation this afternoon. The family says the funeral is planned for Friday, and the public is invited to attend.